Hi, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. So this is episode 24 of season 2. We are still on the beading series, and let's get right into the video. So I'm using 0.25 beading thread. I'm using medium size seed bead. All the materials used will be in the description box, so you can check them out. I've single threaded my needle. The thread is single, and I'm going to pick 8 seed beads, so that's 8. Then I'm going to pull it all the way to the end of the thread, the other end of the thread, and I'm just going to tie a simple knot, just like so. I know you've missed me, I've also missed you guys, but you don't worry, we'll get into that story later. But let's just go into the video a little, and then we'll just leave the rest and start the chit chat, So yeah, I'm just going to pass my needle through all the seed bead and get back to where the shortest thread is and tie another knot before I get rid of the excess thread. So I'm just going to tie another knot before I get rid of the excess thread. So I'm just going to cut the shortest thread off, and guys, back to business. So I'm just going to pass my needle through 2 of the seed beads, so it's through 2. Then I pick 1 bicon. The blue is a bicon and the gold is a seed bead. I'm going to pass my needle through the next immediate 2 seed beads, just like so. Make sure your bicon is lying down well. Then I went ahead to pick another bicon, and I'm going to pass my needle through the next immediate 2 seed beads. So we are going through only 2 of the seed beads right there. Now we pick another bicon and go through the next 2 seed beads. You realize we picked 8, right? So we can go through it 4 times if we are giving an interval of 2 seed bead each. So this is the last one. Now I pass my needle through the next immediate 2 seed beads again, and then pass my needle through the bicon. So here you can start from anywhere. I'm just going to pass it through the next immediate bicon. Then I'm going to pick another 8 seed beads. So that's how it should look like. You have a 4-sided figure. I'm going to pick another 8 seed beads. So 8 gold seed beads. I don't know if you can see a silver seed bead there too. It's a mixture of gold and silver. I'm using only the gold. So that's my 8. Now note where the thread is coming from. I'm going through the opposite end of the bicon, just like so, the same bicon, and you realize we have a circle forming on the bicon, right? Yeah, so I'm going to pass my needle through the next immediate 2 seed bead. So we are just going to repeat what we just did, so just watch closely. Through the next immediate 2 seed bead, I pick my bicon and I go through the next immediate 2 seed bead. Just watch closely, I don't want to confuse you. Yeah, and back to missing you guys. It's really been a while since I posted a beading tutorial on this channel, guys. It's a very long story. I was robbed. I lost my phone, I lost all the videos I had, I wanted to post, so yeah, we are back, and we are back very well. We are back with a better camera, yeah, by the grace of God, and we thank God for everything that happens. Bible says in all things we should give thanks to God, so we thank God. Who knows what might have happened? So I'm back. I really miss you guys, and we are still on the beading series. If it's your first time stopping by, oh, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If you are old, thank you so much for always coming back. Be sure to subscribe if you've not, and give this video a thumbs up if you really enjoy it and it makes any sense to you or you learn anything from it. Then please give this video a thumbs up, and also leave a comment, because engagement helps YouTube to push my video a lot. And thank you so much for always supporting this channel, for believing in the Pama brand. And I will leave you to watch closely. The rest is very easy. Just watch closely, and then I'll get back when I have to. So once I got to the length I want, I just went ahead to tie a couple of knots and got rid of the excess thread. We could have continued with the excess thread, but I wanted us to start with a fresh thread in case you want to dismantle it and add another part, which will be episode 25. We'll be adding another part to this bracelet here. So episode 25 is going to be an upgraded version of this bracelet. You don't want to miss it. Like, you don't want to miss it. So be sure to subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that you'll be notified the moment episode 25 is uploaded. And I'm using a smaller seed bead for the end, so I'm just going to pick 8, just as we did earlier. I'm picking 8 of the C bead, and I'm going through the other end of the bicon just like we did earlier. Then I'll just tie a couple of knots and get rid of the excess thread. So I'll do this to the other end and we'll continue from there. Once we are done, guys, this is what we have. We just want to attach our lockets to it. So I have a couple of jump rings here. You can add as many jump rings as you want, and the good news about using jump ring is that you can either increase the length or decrease the length anytime you want. So I'm just going to use 2 jump rings. So they are single, you can choose to chain them yourself. So I'm just going to add another jump ring to one, and then we have this clasp ring here. Sorry, we have a locker. So I'm just going to attach one end of the locker to the jump ring and attach it to the bracelet. So this is how it looks like. I'm just going to attach it to the bracelet just like so, and this is what we have. So I'm just going to do the other end real quick. And guys, our bracelet is ready. I present to you episode 24. Yeah guys, so this is episode 24. Let me know in the comment section what you think about it, if you and the colors you'll be using to make ears. And I realized it was too long, so I just reduced the rings. I just took one off, one at each side off. And guys, this is what we have for episode 24. Thank you so much once again. Please subscribe and turn on your bell notification, and I'll see you in episode 25. Bye.